Purple declared.
We have two thumbs up. Driver, hands off controls in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. Knights of the ping pong table shooting for blue. Blue Jays coming in, clearing the gate, picking up artifacts, shooting for blue. Blue classifier filling up nicely. The Brobdingnagian Tricephalic Brainstem Robotics team also doing their usual good job. They are picking up artifacts from their red classifier. Their teammates. Infrared parking in the blue loading, the blue base, and at about 13 seconds to go, red leads 74-39.
3, 2,
Pilots
1.
getting involved. Red leading 74-45. Red going back there. The Brobdingnagians picking up artifacts. And 19429 shooting, landing a couple, missing one more. They seem to specialize in these high short lobs. The Blue Jays, on the other hand, as well as their teammates, the Knights of the ping pong table, are shooting from further out on the court and landing very effectively. So good accuracy, good pace. They do need to come in and clear the gate so that they can get some artifacts freed up. And away they go. The Knights do that. And red picks up artifacts to fill up their trace. So here we go again. Infrared scoring, coming back up to be fed. They can pick up to 3 artifacts in their wide feed. You've seen their robot at work before. And it has an unexpected firing error. Fires forward rather than backwards. Right out at a referee. Lights up again. Lands 3 of purple artifacts. Much better accuracy. One of them bounces out. The Brobdingnagians promptly scoop them up, shoot 3 over, and land 2. Red still leading by about 50 points. Under a minute left. 173-113. But calls on both red robots. They are highlighted in yellow. Blue's been playing a little bit of a cleaner game so far. Blue Jays coming up, shooting from afar. Did they light up? Are they aligned? Nope. They let an artifact go because they did not quite achieve it. Knights of the ping pong table come in close. They shoot 1, 2, 3. All of them land beautifully. So do the Blue Jays from afar. They pick and they load and they score. Very nicely done. So, contact. Look at the blue classifier kind of overflowing here. Will they choose to repeat it or they'll relieve it? 9 seconds to go. They may choose to go park instead. Certainly, the infrareds have parked. The Brobdingnagians, they think they've got a little bit more time to shoot again. 2 artifacts in and come and park.
Scores going on the board for 113. It's the Red Alliance taking the victory with a score of 240-184. That will move Brainstem up to number 7 and into a picking position with 5 ranking points.